Hello and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make Google your homepage on Windows 11. This can be especially done on browsers that are not Google Chrome, for example, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. So without further ado, let's head on to this tutorial. So now let's say you have Microsoft Edge as your default browser. And here is your home page. I've customized mine, but in your end, you can see other things, whatever you've done to your homepage. Now, you want your homepage to be Google search. So now let's head on to doing that. Now go to the upper right corner. There's a 3 horizontal dot. Click it and then go to your Microsoft Edge settings, click settings. Now in this page, go to start, home, and new tabs, click it, and then click when Edge starts, open this page, add new page, and then you need to enter a URL. Now you want to enter the URL of Google search here, so let's open a tab and search Google. And let's get the link of Google search tab. Now here is the Google search tab, and then let's copy its URL and then paste it here. Now click add. Now also in the home button section, you also need to click this here under the new tab page so that Google will be your homepage whenever you click your home button. Now let's exit Microsoft Edge and see if Google is our homepage. Let's open, and there it is. Google is now your homepage. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.